hell, I'm living hell. I'm hell, boy, I live in hell.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing a mid fade with the 0 on the sides. So to start it off, get your trimmers and make your first initial guideline.
Hope y'all feeling alright. It's Sean getting tired. Phonics. This is stories from the brass section.
To make both sides even, start on the other side and repeat the steps.
This is dedicated to you.
Alright guys, with your clipper you guys are going to have no guard. With the lever open, go up an inch from the initial guideline you first made.
It ain't all good, but it's all good. I said it's all good. It ain't all good, but it's all good. But it's all good. It ain't all good, but it's all good. I said it's all good.
Alright guys, grab your number 1 guard. With your lever open, you're going to go up an inch from the last line you made.
Half bad, I'm putting yin and yang in the same bag. I got another story to tell, so gather round as I open up my thoughts and tell you what's going down. Been down on my luck, my parents split it up, my granny just passed away. Another passing day, asked my pastor to help me pass the day. He say pray to your father.
Now grab your 1.5 guard with your lever open and go up an inch one more time.
Be drawn to what I need to hear. Distractions coming from ear to ear. Could use some peace of mind. Gave a piece of my mind to niggas who really be testing my peace all the time. From the city with envious entities by the plenty. Fake smiles, fake handshakes. These niggas send me.
Alright guys, you guys can get rid of that first guideline. Have no guard, lever halfway, and get rid of that line.
I can't be thorough, that's one thing that time gon' tell. Ain't never touched $1 million, but I live wealthy. Rich as hell, ain't nothing you can tell me.
So the best way I can explain this is you're going to want to go up about 50% from that first guideline you made.
It ain't all good, but it's all good. But it's all good. It ain't all good, but it's all good. I said it's all good. It ain't all good, but it's all good. But it's all good. They say you can't see the forest through the trees. Way too many leaves to make a nigga leave and quit his dreams. Or just want that destination. They ain't in it for the journey.
Alright guys, so now you guys have a lever closed. At this point, you're going to want to go up about 25%. Make sure not to go too high. You want to have a fade. The key is, as you're closing the blade, you want to go lower and lower.
I'm just hoping I'm making the right decisions, cause I learned that even the right choice will come with consequences. I'm uppercutting repercussions if they ever present it.
So as you guys can see, I'm working in that 1 inch when I made my first guideline. I'm not going any higher than that.
I'ma keep moving, y'all can keep looking, but it's all good. It ain't all good, but it's all good. I said it's all good. It ain't all good, but it's all good. But it's all good. It ain't all good, but it's all good. I said it's all good.
So if you still see a line, grab your trimmers, and right when you hit that line, you want to flick out. Alright guys, so these steps ain't any different. The only difference is you have a guard on. So at this point, get your half guard with your lever open and go up about 75%.
Don't let it down. Don't let it down.
Money ain't shit besides.
Back with the half guard, guys. You guys are going to want to have the lever halfway, going up about 50%.
Attempt to open some doors, yeah, I tried often. Trying often just to keep my head above the waters of the ocean. They try to throw me and don't compare me to another nigga's story. Better reference my author, my pages still being created. My niggas didn't think I made it. My dreams are farther than whatever expectations you making. My attention is vacant to your statements, you could keep them, man. I really got my own way that I've been thinking, man. Shit. own lane and I ain't speeding. Just another evening that I'm smoking up and writing down. The shit is right around the corner. Manifested, been backed into a corner.
Now again with the half guard, have the lever closed and go up about 25%, fading it all in.
Want me to do shit. He told me that pride sometimes can create fools. And over time will expose them to you. So improve, I show what I prove to be nothing but real. You nothing but frail. I don't know how you niggas deal with the cards you giving. If you shuffle in your hands, put them back in the deck and then just try to shit again. Put me in the deck and then you'll probably understand the stance of a brother who been living under the umbrella of life, staying prepared for the rain. Couple of drops and touch me, but I really can't complain. No, I really can't. So much on my mind that I just can't recline. They tell me to take my time. I twist the L and breathe in. Inhale vapors from bright stars that shine. Breathe out. Breathe out, niggas. I twist the L and breathe out.
Now that your first two guidelines are gone, grab your number 1 guard with the lever open and go up about 75%.
Day to day, may be the same, you may see it in another way. But I ain't judging your vision, my nigga. Everybody got a different prescription, my nigga. We all can become blind if we don't let the light shine through. Don't get lost in opinions, my nigga, find you. I'll never let a nigga tell me where I'm headed. Go beyond the measure of any ruler.
So now with the lever halfway, you guys are going to want to go up about 50%. The key to fading, guys, is flicking your wrist. I advise you guys do not make another guideline.
Trying to find my balance, nigga. So much on my mind that I just can't recline.
Now grab your number 1 guard with the lever closed and go up about 25%.
Breathe out, niggas. I twist the L and breathe out. Breathe out. Santa. Shout out my nigga Felix.
If you got a moment, then enjoy it now. No.
East side one time for you.
Alright guys, at this point I'm going to be doing some detail work. This step is very important and can change the whole look of your cut. If you guys take your time in your haircuts, then trust me, you'll see a difference. So to be safe, guys, I went with the guard lower than what I was working with. I had the lever open, and to any dark spots that I seen, I flicked out. So I still seen some dark spots and lines, so I went with the lever halfway, and I flicked out. So now that I got rid of all the lines, I had my number 3 guard open and I started hitting the bulk at the top. You guys do not want to dig into that bulk. It will create a line. So you guys are going to want to flick that out. Now I have the lever closed. Please make sure that you flick it out. It's not that hard, guys.
From the one forward till I don't magnify my mistakes, I just appreciate the lesson. Nothing less, I got no regrets till I got more decisions to make, more repercussions to take from my therapy and percussion on production.
So I still see some bulk, so I'm gonna grab my number 2 guard with the lever open and flick out.
Shit, it ain't never been no fear inside. I couldn't have survived this far, man. That shit'll get you penalized. In this game of life we play, you waste another day if you afraid to grow. Progression stunted by your pain.
Close the lever and go over it again.
Between the day and everything that's past you, you can't even see what's past you. Appreciate the present, man. Don't let your gift appreciate.
1.5 guard now, guys. Lever open and hit that line.
This is how we chill from 93.2.
From the one forward till
This is how we chill from 93.2.
from the one forward till
This is how we chill from 93.2.
from the one forward till
Now close the lever and go over it one more time.
till clarity, opulence, what I see from my optics. Me and my nigga phonics rock like geologists, paleontologists, resurrecting the fossils. I'm a
Alright guys, so now we're going to be doing clipper over comb with the number 1 guard open. And this technique here, no one's ever taught me how to do. I never went to barber school. I don't know the correct angle to hold the comb at. And I hope you guys can just understand me and learn from this video.
I don't release asking myself what you gonna do when they reminisce over you. I wonder if CL ever figured it out. But if he didn't, shit, I'm living it out. Figured I talk to whoever gon' hit me out. My head full, I shut my thoughts just as I clear them out. I swear it never stop. Therapeutic, man, this music shit here free my soul. Trying to take it as far as it go, my God.
This is how we chill from 93.2.
From the one.
So now I do my client's edge up with my liners first to get all the stray hairs, so it looks way sharper when I line it up with the straight razor.
This is how we chill from 93.2.
From the one forward till. It was.
Now this is an important step. You guys are gonna want to apply some shaving gel. This is gonna prevent any nicks from the straight razor.
One time, nigga.
You guys do not need to apply a lot of pressure. Make sure the razor is at a flat angle and let the razor do all the work.
One fold till infinity. 201 fold till infinity.
So this is before. Alright guys, and now the aftermath. If you guys liked the video, leave a like down below. And if this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be dropping more content soon. Thank you guys.
I let the money dance, the diamond blings all by itself without any help. So that means it shine on its own without any gold. I've been the king without any throne.